Hey, we're here at Sport Motive Auto Sales in Seattle, Lake City. I got this 2008 Nissan 350Z Nismo. We just put for sale. It's a manual transmission, 6-speed. It's got about 93,000 miles, and it's a rebuilt title. I'm gonna do a walk around and show you inside now. It's got aftermarket exhaust, sounds nice, not too loud, but really good. Body is clean. I think somebody did give it a paint job, just same color but newer. You can tell it's a newer paint. And the roof is black. Show you inside. It's in good shape. Paint looks good, stands out, nice and shiny, bright. Interior is good shape, clean. It's a number 1402. I think there is 1600 of them made. It's got a quick release NRG steering wheel. You can take it off and put it back on if you like. We got a flat screen over here for the stereo, and it's also a backup camera. Let me put it in reverse. I think we got a phone plug-in. We've got a secret lug nut on it so nobody can steal the wheels. These are nice wheels, not cheap. For sunglasses. Give it some revs. Sounds really good. Clean headliner, no holes, no rips, no sagging. Just clean it all around. Couple gauges here. Blinkers, wipers. Everything works. Windows work. It's all tinted windows all around. Looks real nice. Let's pop the hood. No oil leaks, no smoking, nothing like that. Pretty clean. Mission motor inner radiator. I think the rest of it might be stock. I think the air intakes are aftermarket as well. Let's go look at the back. There's a camera over here. We just got new shocks installed, new struts. Clean. All the lights work, key fob works, windows work, everything the way it should. Get your VIN number here. Thanks for watching, guys. Sport Motive Auto Sales. We're in Seattle, Washington, and phone number is 206-801-9239.